I'm responsible of the risk management subject, and I do it at the Master in Finance and Banking, and also in the Master in Finance and Master in Quantitative Finances. The methodology that we follow with the students is, I provide them with set of materials and articles and regulation about what the state of the art is in the different concepts that we go through the course. What we also do is we analyze through different case studies different chapters of that methodology, where the students have the ability of putting into practice what they have learned into real case studies, right? For example, in terms of the structure of the risk management, what we try to do is to follow how the different financial entities are structured internally. For example, we will be covering the credit risk area, the market risk, operational risk, as well as the asset and liability management. We will also have a deep focus on stress testing, and we will provide with a thorough regulation framework about what is now being demanded from the European Union, from the European Central Bank, right, from the different agents that are now taking on the regulation about the different participants in the financial markets. I'm lucky because what I do in my day-to-day work, I'm responsible of the internal validation unit there at Barclays, and what we do there and what we need to do there is we go through the different risk models and we analyze them and we validate all the methodology, we validate the data, we validate and we test the different methodologies employed, we test how the different areas of the bank put that into practice. So what we do here at the CIFF business school is we also try to conduct different tests and approaches to with real data and with real episodes. We will go, for example, I will ask him to take a look at the different fixed income portfolio, and they will need to go have a deep understanding and try to propose different hedging alternatives about it. They will need to design and calculate what a loss distribution would be. They will need to test and calculate what the different risk scenarios could be expected out of that portfolio. Well, I think it is clear now that risk management, it is not only demanded from financial entity sector, but also from the different industrial companies. We have seen in the past years a lot of episodes about how a weak risk management framework can put in danger the survival of the different entities, and we have experienced, we have suffered here in Spain as well a lot of catastrophic episodes, and also in Europe and in the US. So I think now the managers, they are very well. They have taken that into serious consideration, that they need to be very well keen on incorporating the latest technologies in risk management, and also to put the enough means into the organization and to provide the different companies with the right budget and tools and human capital. So in terms of what they are demanding from people, and what we see that every day, in fact, looking for people that have the right analytical skills, right? That they have solid understanding of what the risk management techniques are. Also that they have good programming skills, so that they are able by themselves of exploring and using all the data information that we have at the entities, what we now call the big data. That's a big hot topic, right, in all the entities. So we expect people that have those quantitative skills to actually put them into practice, right? Well, sure. For example, we're looking for people in different areas of the bank, and I know that in the other entities it is the case as well. For example, now they are creating specific areas for stress testing. They are creating, or they are improving and giving more budget and more tools in the areas of forecasting, planning, capital liquidity, right? In all those different areas, people with good and solid quantitative and risk management skills, they will have good opportunities.